marks the 74th anniversary of the founding of the People's Republic of China. Here, so many overseas Chinese get together with jubilance to celebrate the birthday of our motherland. Since we just celebrated this year's Mid-Autumn Festival 2 days ago, it really can be called two happy events come at the same time. First of all, please allow me to warmly welcome Honorable Deputy Prime Minister. It is a great honor to have you with us. I would also like to convey the cordial greetings and best wishes to my fellow Chinese compatriots in Fiji from the Communist Party of China, the Chinese government, and people.